If you're basically a new drummer, I'm about to make all your grooves a whole lot cooler because there's a really simple hack to do that with. What am I doing? What I am doing is putting a ride pattern on the ride cymbal. We're not just over here hitting one single bit, we're hitting the ride bell. And there's a specific way you're going to want to do that. Effectively, you're going to go with the shoulder of the stick on the bell on your numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. All your ands will be in the center of the ride cymbal, here with the tip of the stick. So you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I suggest you get that down, counting out loud, before you try and do any groovy stuff with it, because it can take a little while to get used to. But I'm going to jump straight to that bit. So we're going to now play just a normal straight 8, which is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and but. We've got a bass drum on beat 1 and 3 and a snare drum on beat 2 and 4. So everything over here is falling with the bell. Hopefully that makes sense. It's going to make sense. It's up here. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Go as slowly as you need to. I know I'm going quite quick. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Eventually, hopefully, it starts to feel a bit more normal. And there you have it. Enjoy.